The Prime Minister Narendra Modi's look is peach. In fact, this now time visible with his first visit at this moment to Prime Minister's visit to Assam. This is the first time that in his third tenure he has visited Assam. Now, in fact, witnessing one of the records being created in Assam with the traditional Jhumar dance being performed in a stadium, the Prime Minister said that only a tea seller can really understand the aroma of the tea.
Who is on a two-day visit to Assam, his first visit after he took charge as the Prime Minister for the third term. Today witnessed a mega performance of Jhumur dance, the traditional dance of the people who work in the tea gardens of Assam, the tea tribes as they are called in Assam. Now this is a part of the celebrations of 200 years of Assam tea industries, and these people who work in the tea gardens, their Jhumur dance was for the first time given a major platform where over 8,000 participants, young boys and girls from the tea gardens performed their traditional Jhumur dance in front of the Prime Minister as well as External Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar, Assam and Tripura Chief Minister, and also over 60 top diplomats of different nations who are visiting Assam. Now this is a prelude of the Advantage Assam Infrastructure and Investment Summit, which is going to start from tomorrow, being inaugurated by the Prime Minister. In fact, the Prime Minister, after the Jhumur dance performance, where he categorically spoke about the efforts taken by the government in Assam to look into the issues of the tea gardens. In fact, he also spoke about how tea is very close to his heart, and he also spoke about how in past development in Northeast was neglected and how what he claims he has become the brand ambassador of not only the Northeast region but its culture and tradition. Now, after the Jhumur dance performance, the Prime Minister visited the Advantage Assam venue where he inaugurated two separate exhibitions of the products of Assam, also the traditional products as well as the new age avenues which are opening up in Assam, like the semiconductor plant which is coming up in Assam. Now tomorrow the Prime Minister is going to inaugurate Advantage Assam, where the state government is aiming to sign MOUs worth over 1 lakh crores. So this is a mammoth exercise. In fact, several countries are partner countries to the event, and the business tycoons, the business captains of the country would also be present, where the Prime Minister would also address the gathering, as well as there would be several sessions which will be addressed by key ministers of the Modi cabinet.
Prime Minister Modi in Guwahati for a two-day visit. As he witnessed history being scripted. Also present were some of the union ministers and top diplomats from over 60 countries to view a magnificent extravaganza. To celebrate 200 years of Assam tea industry, special performance of Jhumur dance, the traditional dance of tea garden workers, 8,000 youth performed a Jhumur dance. The program, named Jhumur Bidadni, is also seen as a recognition to the culture of the tea tribe community of Assam, who were brought from Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha to work in the tea gardens in the British era. Lakhs of people work in over 800 tea gardens of Assam. The tea tribe community is an important vote bank in Assam. The state would go to polls next year. But this event was beyond tea politics.
Jhumur dance is part of the tradition of the 200-year-old tea industry of Assam, and here for the first time these people are performing. Many of them have come to Guwahati for the first time, away from the tea gardens, to showcase their talent, their culture, not only to the rest of the country, but to the rest of the world, where Assam tea is very famous. But through the Jhumur dance, this is an effort of Assam government to showcase the culture, the tradition of the people behind the Assam tea.
Prime Minister Modi had a message far beyond the tea tribes.
चाय की खुशबू और चाय के रंग को एक चाय वाले से ज्यादा कौन जानेगा। और अभी मुझे बताया गया कि 60 से भी ज्यादा दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों के राजदूत भी आसाम को अनुभव करने के लिए यहां मौजूद है। पूर्वोत्तर की संस्कृति का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर खुद मोदी ही बन चुका है।
For the performers who come from the lowest strata, it's a dream come true. The Jhumur performance has set the tone for Advantage Assam, the infrastructure and investment summit that's pitching Assam as a major business destination.
Honorable Prime Minister will be here for 2 days, sending a huge message to investors that look, now Assam is peaceful.
But the Congress in Assam is not letting up on the attack against both the Himanta Biswa-led government in the state and the Modi government at the center.
जस्टिस बिप्लब शर्मा की कमेटी बनाई और क्या पता है आज तक केंद्र सरकार ने उस कमेटी के रिपोर्ट पर अपना हस्ताक्षर भी नहीं किया। तो असम अकॉर्ड कल 6 नंबर दफा जुमला, 6 कौमों को एसटी स्टेटस देना जुमला, चाय बागान को श्रमिकों को उनका पगार बढ़ाना जुमला। जो हमारे एसटी के काउंसिल्स हैं उन काउंसिल्स की ताकत और बढ़ाने के लिए राज्यसभा में बिल लाया गया, लेकिन उस पर भी कोई कार्रवाई नहीं।
With center airlifting diplomats from Delhi to Assam's Kaziranga, now New Delhi is trying to turn sustained peace in Assam to investment possibilities. With camera person Sanjay Chakravarti and Ratandeep Chaudhary, this is a Bureau Report, NDTV.